boys and girls, today is Tuesday, May 19th, and this is Rhymes and Times. Today you are going to need your Rhymes and Time packet, the new one that has 3 types, 3, 9, cuts on my knee, and your whiteboard, eraser, and marker. So please go ahead and grab those things now. If you have to pause the video, pause the video. All right, boys and girls, so now that you've gotten all of your materials out, let's go ahead and review all of our rhymes. Let's start with the first one. Ready? 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 4 times 7, 28 spiders are webbing. 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! 7 times 8, golly gee, $56, all for me. Cha-ching! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! Thick time thick, the thick lollipop licks. Crunch! 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling all 49. 7 times 7, bugs in a line, creeping and crawling all 49. Show me 9 times 7. Since you're doing 9 times 7, you're multiplying by 9. Look at the other number, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 63. 63. 0 is always the hero. 0 is always the hero. What is 1 times 8? 8. What is 12 times 1? 12. Whenever you multiply by 1, the answer is the other number. When you multiply by 2, you count by 2, or just double the other number. And when you multiply by 5, just count by 5. Let's do it. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 3 times 6, pick up 18 sticks. 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! 4 times 6, count those 24 kicks. Hiya! Ready? Put those hands on your hips, and we're going to swirl around. Ready? 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. Again, 8 times 8, clips fell on the floor. Pick them up, all 64. All right, here's my favorite one. Ready? Remember, we just spin in the beginning. 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one drops. Again, 3 times 7, spin 21 tops. Watch them all till each one. All right, boys and girls, so now let's take a look at our 10s, our 11s, and our 12s. The 10s you guys are experts on. 10 times 7, there's so many ways that you can think about it, but this is the way that I do it, is I say, okay, I'm going to multiply the real numbers. 1 times 7 are the real numbers here, and 1 times 7 is 7. There's 1 0 in the problem, so I'm going to add 1 0 to the answer. I can do 1 times 3, which equals 3. There's 1 0 in the problem, so I add 1 0 to the answer. Another way to think of it is just say, oh, I have my magic 10 wand, which has a 0. And what I do is I go, okay, there's a 0 in the 10, so I've got to add a 0 to the other number. So the answer to this would be 110. And it doesn't matter what the problem is. It could also be 10 times 12. You go, oh, there's a 0 right here in the 10, so I'm going to add a 0 to the other number. 12 and then 0 equals 120. 120. Okay, so that's that. Go ahead and on your paper, on your whiteboard, go ahead and write these problems down, please, and solve them really quickly. See if you could solve 11 times 2, 11 times 4, and 11 times 8 while I finish my water. I'm almost done with it. Water bottle number 5 of the day. Okay, let's check it out. 11s are so easy to do. You just go, okay, there are 2 1s in 11, so I'm going to put 2 2s in the answer. There are 2 1s in 11, so I'm going to put 2 4s in the answer. There are 2 1s in 11, so I'm going to put 2 8s in the answer. 22, 44, and 88. Whenever you multiply by 11, just write the other number 2 times. So 2 becomes 22, 4 becomes 44, and 8 becomes 88. And that's a very important skill for the next 3 problems we're going to do. I'm going to do one together with you, and you're going to do the other 2. So go ahead and write these down. 12 times 3, 12 times 6. Oops, I'm going to space these out because you should have room when you do this. 12 times 6 and 12 times 8. Go ahead and write those down. We'll do the first one together, then you'll do the next ones by yourself. This is really easy, boys and girls. There are 2 steps. Number 1, change, whenever you multiply by 12, change the 12 to an 11. And do the work. What's 11 times 3? There are 2 1s and 11, so I'm going to put 2 3s in the answer. But I'm not done yet because that's the answer to 11 times 3. That is not the answer to 12 times 3. So what you have to do, step number 2, is add the other number. Add the other number. So I'm going to add this other number. 33 plus 3 equals 36. So remember, it's not 11 times 3, so the answer is not 33. Because what this means is that you're going to see the 3 11 times. But I don't want to see the 3 just 11 times. I have to see it 12 times. That's why you add the 3 one more time, so that way you see it 12 times. All right, let me give you another 40 seconds to do this one and this one. Ready? Begin. All right, let's see how you did it. I'm multiplying by 12. Just pretend you're multiplying by 11. 11 times 6 is 66. Step number 2, add the other number. So I'm going to add this other number. 66 plus 6 equals 72. All right, next one. 12 times 8. I'm going to change the 12 to an 11. 11 times 8 equals 88. Then I'm going to add the other number. 88 plus 8 equals 96. Okay, so every day we're going to do problems like that so that you remember how to multiply by 10, by 11, and 12. And eventually we'll probably just practice multiplying by 12 because multiplying by 10 and 11 is so easy. Yesterday, boys and girls, we learned this new rhyme. Let's go ahead and say it 3 times, shall we? Go. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. Last time, 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. I wonder if your little brother or little sister did not like having the 9 cuts drawn on their knee and then having the fake Band-Aids placed on them. You probably have a great story to share about that. But anyway, here we go. Let me show you. Now, I told you that I don't have a little brother or sister that I could do this with, so I drew a leg. Yes, I know I'm a terrible artist. And so I'm going to do what I asked you to do yesterday. I'm going to pretend this is my little brother Sergio's knee, Sergio, and I'm going to draw 9 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on Sergio's knees. And now I'm going to take the 9 Band-Aids that I made yesterday and I'm going to put them on. Band-Aid 1, Band-Aid 2, Band-Aid 3, Band-Aid 4, Band-Aid 5, Band-Aid 6, I'm running out of space, Band-Aid 7, Band-Aid 8, and Band-Aid 9. So this is what you should have done in real life yesterday with your little brother or sister. You should have drawn 9 cuts on their knees, and then you should have put the 9 fake Band-Aids on their knees. So let's go ahead and say this rhyme one more time, 3 more times. Ready? 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. 3 times 3, 9 cuts on my knee. So now all you have to do, boys and girls, is write 3, times 3 equals what? Equals 9. I want you to do it 33 times, okay? 33 times 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. I've only done it 4 times. You have to do it 33 times. Ready, set, 33 times. You may go, boys and girls. 33 times. Make sure you do it.